Hey everybody, Scott DiGregorio, your mortgage guy, bringing you some more information. I got a question for you. What the heck is a debt ratio, right? So debt ratio is the driving force, right? If somebody comes to me and says, hey Scott, how much do I qualify for? What they're asking me is a debt ratio question. What the heck is a debt ratio? Here's what it is. It is a mathematical comparison between your debts and your income. You divide your debts into your income, you come up with a percentage. If you make $1,000 a month and your total debts are $400 a month, 400 divided into 1,000 is 40%. So that's the basics of a debt ratio. Keep in mind when debt ratio is being run, we're counting the new house you're buying, including taxes, insurance, mortgage insurance if it applies, HOA fees, all that stuff, right? Your total housing payment plus whatever else is on your credit report, generally plus child support, plus alimony, plus things like IRS payments, is a lot there. Divided into your gross, before taxes, your gross monthly income. Sometimes I find myself in situations where people's debt ratios aren't quite lining up. They're exceeding the maximum, and debt ratios vary program to program. We then kind of look at a situation where we're going to reduce some of the debt, and that's something I talk to a lot of different people about. But debt ratios are where it's at. Back in the day, we had stated income loans. The government passed a law that talked about the ability to repay, and the government's position is this: you're not allowed to make a loan to somebody unless you can document their ability to pay it back. That's the deal with debt ratios. It really is the driving force, and look, I have other videos on this, but please understand that things change house to house, right? Somebody comes to me and says, Scott, how much of a house can I buy for $1,800 a month? Well, it really depends house to house, right? Taxes, insurance, things like that alter. The other situation I have sometimes where if somebody's at the very ceiling of their debt ratio and I tell them they qualify for a certain price range of home, well, that doesn't mean they qualify for every home in that price range, because again, it may vary from house to house. A lot of times they'll have people sending me each house they're interested in, and I'm running the numbers case by case to see if it works for them. Anyway, a lot of details here. I can't get into the video, but that is what a debt ratio is. If you have any further questions, reach out to me. I'm Scott DiGregorio, your mortgage guy. I'll talk to you soon.